Hey guys, Richard here. In this video, I'm going to give you my opinion of the Mooncool TK Pro. This is in place of the full review that I originally had planned a couple of months ago when we first received it. When we received it, we did have some problems with it, and it did take some time to work through a couple of those problems with Mooncool. And it is our belief now that they have worked through the manufacturing design defect that's originally had, and that the new models coming out now are have been corrected and everything is good with them. And the additional problem that we had with ours, we seem to have fixed that at this point. So we're happy to endorse and give you our opinions on it. This isn't going to be the typical full review where we're out riding it. There's a lot of videos already out there by a lot of different creators talking about the product. We just wanted you to know what our thoughts on it are, and here they are. Uh, you know, I'm proud to say that we had a little bit of input into the design of this bike. They consulted with me early on and asked some questions about what components and different things that should be included. And I'm real happy to say that, they adopted some of my ideas, and I appreciate them for doing it. And I appreciate that they sent this to us after it was built. Now, real quickly as a recap, you do have a 750 watt motor back here in the rear. You do have a torque sensor, which is great for this style bike. You have a large 20 amp hour battery, get you a long distance. You've got a large basket in the back. You got the basket in the front. You got good components up here. It's a twisty throttle. You got a nice display, which we don't have powered up yet. You have blinkers. Overall, a nice designed budget style trike. You get what you pay for. This is a good value, I think, for the money you're spending. It's a good value. Okay, it's stable. We've had it out on the road. We've cut donuts with it. It's very stable compared to a lot of other trikes. You can still tip this over, and we've had it upon two wheels. Okay, so you still got to be careful with that. But it's a good design. It's a nice riding trike, and just happy to say that if you have been thinking about something like this, I would say, feel pretty comfortable with your purchase because it's a good value. If you have specific questions about the Mooncool TK Pro, just drop them down below or reach out to me, and I'm happy to try to answer those questions for you. I've worked with Mooncool quite a bit. I've tested just about all of their products that they have produced, and I like the company. I like the products that they produce. Everything has been well designed that I've seen so far, with the exceptions that we just talked about. Sometimes things go awry just a little bit and they need to be corrected, and they have corrected those. So yeah, be sure to ask any question you have. If you are interested, follow the link down below. I'd appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help the channel to grow. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in another video real soon.